Hello friends, we are going to build real-time chat application in Laravel 9 framework by using Ratchet Websockets Library and JavaScript. Under this tutorial series, you will learn how to build real-time chat application in Laravel Framework by using Ratchet Websockets Library and pure vanilla JavaScript. Under this chat application, we will implementing some Whatsup-like feature like user can able to know another user is read his or her message or not, and user and also know another user last active time also. There are many other interesting feature under this chat application which we will build under this tutorial series. In this video, we will show you full functional feature of this chat application. And in upcoming part, we will build one by one this feature from scratch. So first off, we have to know which technology we have used to build this chat application. So here, we have used Laravel 9 framework for back-end operation. And for front-end operation, we will use pure vanilla JavaScript. And after this, for store chat message, here we will use MySQL database. And for send and receiver, real-time chat message. Here we have used Ratchet Websockets Library, so by using this library, we will build Laravel-based real-time chat application. Now we have show you basic architecture of this Laravel Ratchet Websockets Chat Application. So here on screen, you can see architecture of this Laravel chat application. So here, we can see that one client has sent message to Laravel application. So it has sent to Ratchet WebSocket, and here Ratchet WebSocket send that message to another client, so here WebSocket has built tunnel between two clients. And both client can send and receive message via Ratchet WebSocket. Now we have show you demo of this chat application. So here, we can see login page on the web page. So here, we have to enter login details like email address and password. Here we have use login page which we have built in Laravel custom login registration tutorial. So after login into system, here we can see chat application area. Now first, suppose user want to change profile details, so we have to click on profile link. So after click on profile link, here we can see that profile page has been loaded. So here user can change his or her profile details like name, email, password. And here, user can also change their profile details. Now we want to go to chat area, so we have to click on this private chat area. Now here, we have to comes into this chat area, so here we can see different block. Like list of connected user, search user, notification area, and between this, we can see blank area, where chat area will be appear, when we have click on any username. Now first, we have show you, how to send chat request to new user. So for this, here in search text box, we have to type, username. So this chat application will search user, in real time, by using WebSocket, without page refresh. And here, we can see that, filter user data, has been displayed, under this area. With blue button, so now for send chat request to this user, we have to click on this button. So after click on this button, here we can see that, chat request has been sent to this user. By using Ratchet WebSockets Library, and here user has been removed from this area. And under notification area, here we can see that, chat request has been sent to this user. With status like request sent, so here notification data has been loaded, using Ratchet WebSocket. Now, we have goes to another browser, and here we can see chat application, login page. Now we have enter another user login details one by one, and click on login button. So here, we can see that, chat area has been loaded on the web page. And here, in notification area, we can see that, chat request has been displayed. With approve and reject button, now for make chat with this user. So we have to click on this approve button, so we have click on this approve button. So after click on the approve button, here we can see that, chat request has been removed from this notification area. And here in connected user list, here we can see that user has been added in connected user list. Now we have goes to first user chat area, and here in the list of connected user. And that user has been added in connected user, so now both user can chat with each other. Now for send chat message to this user, so we have to click on this user. So after click on the user, here we can see that chat area has been loaded in middle of web page. And here, we can see message like, no conversation found message has been displayed. Now for send chat message, so here we have type message under chat text box. And after this, we have click on the chat message, and after click on the send button. Here we can see that message has been appear in the chat history, which we can see here. And here, we can see that two correct icon with gray color, that means message has been sent to this user. But that user is still not view this message, that means this message has not been seen by receiver user. Now we have to go receiver user, and here we can see that one unread message notification, which we can see here. Now for view this message, we have to click on the username. So after click on the username, here we can see that unread message notification has been removed. And here in chat area, we can see that chat message has been loaded. Now we have goes to sender user area, and here we can see that message 2 correct icon color has been changed to blue color. That means receiver user has been read your message, so here we have implement Whatsup like message read notification. Now we have goes to receiver user chat area, and here we can see that sender user is still online because it has display green color icon. And below it, we can see it has display online. Now we have goes to sender user chat area, and here we can see that one user is display green color icon. And with other username, it has display red color, so green color icon user is online, and red color icon is offline. Now we have click on the profile link, and after this, we have goes to other user browser. And here we can see that user icon has been changed to green color, and below it, we can see last seen with time, so here user can also view user last seen time details also. So here also, we have implement Whatsup like user last seen feature under this chat application. So this is main feature, and for build all this feature, we have used Ratchet Websocket with Laravel Framework and vanilla JavaScript, and this all feature, we will discuss under this tutorial series. So if you wanted to learn how to build real-time chat application in Laravel Framework with Ratchet Websocket Library and vanilla JavaScript, so under this video description, we have put this tutorial series roadmap under video description, so in that roadmap you can find list of topic, which will be discussed in upcoming part, and after completing this tutorial, we will also show you how to deploy this Laravel Ratchet Websocket Chat application on the live server. Here we have already make login and registration page in our previous Laravel tutorial. So we will use that code for chat application login and registration feature, so here in chat application, we will not make login and registration page, and we will to use that code for chat application login and registration page. And in next part, we will make required table in MySQL database from this Laravel application, so we will